Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are fixing a Samsung NU7300 series TV. This is a curved screen. To be exact, it's a 49-inch. As you can see, it only shows you a portion of the entire screen. The rest of the screen is dark. I know a quick fix for this. Well, it's not quick, but it's not that difficult. It will take us a bit of fidgeting to do. So I'm going to power this down and open the back. Enjoy. I've already removed the legs for the TV using my Phillips screwdriver. So these fit there. So when you unscrew, you then slide it out because there's a clip there that holds the leg in place. So two of these removed. This is what we need so that we don't scratch the... I've seen lots of people using flat screwdrivers, but that's a bit harsh because you end up scratching the body of the TV. I'll then remove the power cable. Yep, power cable removed. Then I'll pry these around the edges. Make sure that if you don't force this, if you feel like there's a lot of resistance, you don't force it. So this is what it looks like after opening. You have to remove this ribbon, remove that ribbon, remove that, and remove these two so that we can access the LEDs. Right. These are not broken, by the way. They just clip onto each other to make a complete rectangle. So it's not broken, don't worry. After a very long struggle, we've reached our destination. Our strips are right there, the bottom. There they are. You'll notice there's actually some lighting is a bit poor. Not sure if you can see right there. You can see the LED strips are all bent at the bottom. Is that section, that section. So you've got two of these at the bottom, and they need replacement. These are the strips that got delivered from eBay. So for the last bit, we've got that to unclip, and another one at the bottom to unclip. Then we pray these, then we remove. You typically need to use a long nose for this. Is these holding bracket that you're supposed to bite and pull down. Then after that, you'll notice that the LED strip itself has got some glue at the back. So you just get your flat screwdriver, then you wedge it between the strip and basically along there you just wedge it, keep on wedging it going downwards until the whole strip is removed. The best plan is to get a heat gun, then make sure you don't, because I still haven't removed those two electronic bolts at the back, make sure you don't heat those up. You just heat the LED strip, the old one, so that glue becomes a bit loose so that you can easily remove the old strips. You'll notice that the new strip comes with an adhesive tape at the back, so you don't need really to put any glue there. So you just remove the adhesive tape at the back, then stick it to the surface. There's already some markings to show you the direction of how you're going to place the strip. I'm going to attempt to test the new strips, before I connect everything back. Top should be, yes, it should be at the top. There you go. All the strips are on. They're working. Time to put everything back. Reverse of what we've done. Could have done a longer video showing how to put these all back up, but looks like I'm running out of memory on my camera. Sorry for that. See you in the next video, guys.